Okay, YouTube, what's going on? Doing this video, I got the bass turned off on the EQ. See those two lights at the end? They're actually green, but that's how I got it set up right now. I got the bass turned off, like I say. On the head unit, I got the bass at +2. Got the treble at +12. I'm actually about to put it down to +10. Everything else is flat. So, let's hear what she sound like. Now this is with the bass off. And this is off that Sony 504Z, XM504Z amp, the two 6x9s, and then the two front Pioneer 4x6s, as well as the 3/4 inch Boss Tweeter. I think there's some crappy ones. But they're hooked up to the Rockford 50.2, running at 2 ohms off the 2-channel 50.2. So let's see how she sounds. Now I'm not going to turn the volume no more than 20. And as you can remember, I had it at 27 the last time.
There must be some kind of way out of here. Say that joker to the thief.
Yeah, it's pretty loud.
There's too much confusion.
You see, as soon as I turn that down, it sounds a little different. I'm about to turn it back on.
Drink my wine. Come and take my earth. None will ever own the line. Nobody up in this world.
So, yeah, man, it's starting to ring my ears and shit all over again. So I gotta kind of get used to this. But you guys already know the slogan, man. Keep your heads up, stay out of trouble, and keep bass banging.